Namaskar, I am Vivek and let's go through this mesmerizing voyage through the cultural treasures of Assam, where the sacred whispers of Kamakhya temple blends with the rhythmic flow of mighty Brahmaputra, while the iridescent threads of Assamese silk and the flavorsome aromas of its cuisine weave a tapestry to its cultural heritage and tradition. Our journey commences at the Kamakhya temple, an embodiment of faith and spirituality, which is situated at the top of Nilanchal Hill in Guwahati. To arrive at central center of Kamakhya, we can take both railway and airway means. The nearest airport from here is Guwahati Airport, and the station is Kamakhya Station. One can also arrive at Guwahati Station, which is only 6 km apart from Kamakhya Station. From both this location, both public and private transport are easily available to arrive at footprint of Neelachal Hills.
Namaskar, dear friends. Today, we stand on the threshold of history, spirituality, and unparalleled beauty. Welcome to Kamakhya Temple, where every stone narrates a tale and each prayer signals devotion.
Climbing these steps, I can feel the devotion of the pilgrims who make this rolling journey, barefoot and with unwavering faith, to seek the blessing of Divine Mother Goddess.
बैग में पैसा मोबाइल होने से अपना पास रखें। 30 रुपीज़ होगा। 30 रुपीज़।
The Kamakhya temple, dedicated to the powerful goddess Kamakhya, is a symbol of faith and devotion for millions of devotees who flock here every single year, seeking blessings and spiritual enlightenment. According to the ancient stories, when Mother Sati died, Lord Shiva left his duties and went into mourning and offered prayers to Mother Sita. When he was crying, circling the earth, to free Lord Shiva from his grief, Lord Vishnu divided the body of Mother Sati into 51 parts with his Sudarshan Chakra. The same paths fell on the different places in the world and were known as Shakti Peeths. It is believed that Shakti Peeth at Kamakhya temple depicts the vaginal from the mother.
घातो घातो बहुबातो बियापी सुगरे बेर हरि रंका हातो घातो बहुबातो बियापी सुगरे बेर हरि रंका गुरु घन घन घोष घड़ी खन गर्जन श्रवणय जनमय खं.
To worship the divine Kamakhya Ma, an individual have to take coupon to enter the puja premises. There is 2 types of coupon available from the ticket counter. One cost about 10 rupees, in which we can be in general line for darshan, and for a VIP token which cost about 500 rupees, one can directly enter the puja premises without any hassle and crowd. As you go a little further, you will see a wonderful thing. We are in front of the well in the Kamakhya temple, so here it is believed that before starting the journey to see the Ma, people come here and purify themselves, wash their hands, take a bath, and after getting purified in the kund, devotees perform a puja of Lord Ganesha.
On top of the hill in front of the temple, you will find good hotels to stay in moderate rates with short food and drinks. There is a good facility of lodging if you are coming to Guwahati from far away only for darshan. Then instead of taking a hotel in Guwahati, you can directly come to Kamakhya, and after taking a hotel there, you can have darshan early in the morning the next day. This will make your darshan much convenient for you. Well friends, our journey to Kamakhya temple has ended, but the memories we have created together will last a lifetime. Jai Mata Di.
So from here, we are moving on to our next destination, which is Srimanta Sankradev Kala Kshetra, in the realm of perceiving Assamese culture. So see you guys there.
So guys, we just arrived at Srimanta Kala Kshetra Museum, and let's explore what's inside.
percentage likes only handloom and handicraft. But if you
Okay.
go into something designer, then a younger audience will also get more attracted.
Wait.
Hello guys, it's Jovan, and you know what time it is? Disco time!
I walk out the house with my swagger, hop in that window, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious, I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind where I'm going, the women, the shorties know nothing but clothes. No stopping at my Pirelli's on, unlike my Dewey, that's always on. I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower. Call up my homies, it's on and popping the night, cause it's meant to be ours. We keep a fadeaway shot, cause we ballin' this platinum Patron every hour. Look mama, ow, you just like the flowers. Girl, you the truth with all